To set up custom keyboard layout on Realme GT 7 Pro, first let's open our settings. Then we can move all the way down and enter System and Update. Right here, go for Keyboard and Input Method. Select Manage Keyboards, and then go for your Gboard. Now when you're inside, you can scroll down to the theme, and then you can click on this plus button to create your custom theme. And the first option is to choose a background picture for your theme. Then you can move it around, confirm it, and adjust the brightness. And when it's done, we can also enable or disable keyboard borders. And finally, apply it. And now our keyboard is all set.